My name is Riley with Off Leash K9 Training in Canton. Here with me today is Miss Rory. She is a 14-month-old golden retriever who just completed our 1-week board and train program. When Rory came to me, she was a struggle. She was really difficult to manage. She's very strong and very strong-headed. She wants to go wherever she wants to go, and she will use her weight to get herself there. She was also a big flight risk for her owners. If she wanted to go somewhere, there was no getting her back. So it was really tough to take her anywhere or even just trust her around doors in the house. She also had no door manners at all. She would just burst through them anytime she wanted to go outside. Rory also seriously lacked impulse control, especially around even the most minor of distractions. So the place command was a huge one for her owners to have and a good one for her to have a grasp on as well. Over the last week, I really worked hard to make sure that Rory worked on her impulse control with that place and being able to hold a sit for more than a second, and made sure she had a reliable recall as well. Up next, I'm going to show you Rory on our first day of training. It was a struggle, like I said, and then stick around for her transformation after just one short week.
This is my first time out working with Rory. I'm testing her commands just to see what she already knows, but first I'm just trying to get control of her. She's super strong and she almost pulls me over even though I'm using all my strength to hold her back. She does eventually come back to me after I call her, but when she does, she jumps all over me. In an attempt to calm that jumping down, I'm trying to ask her for a sit, and she continues jumping on me, continues pulling me wherever she wants to go, and does eventually sit for half a second. But then when I ask her to sit again, she's just too distracted to do anything about it. Moving on to place, Rory does not know this command, but she is very avoidant of this object, which is interesting because she does have a cot just like this in her kennel, so in theory she shouldn't have an issue getting on it, but again, she uses her weight to get out of things and again nearly pulls me down.